A total of 15 sitting MDCs in the Jhadc were defeated, while only 4 of the sitting MDCs were re-elected after the result were announced on Monday. Among sitting MDCs who were defeated are Jhadc CEM Pinyat Singh CEM, who contested from North Mai constituency, former Deputy CEM Pinshangan in CEM from Maukar Pinthor Umkra constituency, Jhadc Chairman Lamprang Bla, Balajit Rani Magdalene Maulong from Umsning, Rankansai Khadc from Umroy, Lambor Malgyang from Nongkrem constituency, Ringkatlang Lindem, Michelle Wankar from Laban Mauprem constituency, Fanton J. Lakadong from Malki Laimkra, Taibordlang Pathau from Maulai constituency, Bats Cameron Tathiang from Mairang Nongklau, Jambor War from Paryong, Mauthatashan, and Karna Soshang from Maukarwai.
Duty to jong nam san do chu be de kan de ke lan de ko I bakin ya simti ka kam tek number kini ba ka kam kan tin kan tek jam kam kan tek kam jam kan ma ban share min share kan ka wi kan ne tam ko khat de tamba to have accept have burom ya ka mandit yitu pai ba Ingkit bok yang hidup. Buat ini game perbahan. Ketika nak try ini ketika ajur pelatih nak hidup konteks kena.